Hey friends, are you considering LVP luxury vinyl plank flooring, but you're wondering how long does it really last and what's the hype about it recently? Today we're going to be breaking down everything you need to know about LVP's lifespan, what affects it, and how to keep it looking brand new for years to come. It can last about 25 years, so let's dive right in. So let's answer the first question. What is the average lifespan of LVP? LVP flooring is like the knight in shining armor in terms of modern floors. It's durable, it's affordable, it's stylish, and typically LVP would last 15 to 25 years. But there is a catch on how long it depends, and those are three things: quality of the flooring, the foot traffic, as well as the maintenance of the floors themselves. Some key points are premium versus standard LVP. Premium LVP is just LVP with a thicker wear layer, 20 mil or more, and they often last closer to that 25-year mark, while standard LVP might cap out around the 15 years. So if you're buying flooring, spend a little extra for that long-term durability. Tip number 2, warranties tell a story. Look at the manufacturer warranty. A 20-year warranty specified by the manufacturer is basically telling you what they believe their product will last to. So take a look at that. Alright, so what really affects how long your LVP flooring will last? Let's break it down. 1. Installation quality. A well-prepared subfloor is the secret sauce to longevity. Uneven or even dirty subfloors can cause gaps and buckling. So either you DIY it with extreme precision or you call in a pro.
Hello?
I told you not to pick up the phone.
Second reason, foot traffic. Busy areas like hallways and kitchens will generally see more wear and tear over time. So for heavy foot traffic spots, premium LVP is your best bet for this scenario. Third thing is the maintenance and cleaning factor. Dirt acts like sandpaper on your floor's wear layer. Regular sweeping and a damp mop are your best friends, but remember, do not excessively soak your mop or use very harsh cleaners. The next thing isn't so obvious, but sunlight. UV rays can fade LVP color over time, even with their protective layers. If you've got a sunny spot, use blinds or curtains to keep the color looking fresh for longer. Lastly, moisture levels. While LVP is water resistant and even advertised as waterproof, too much moisture can seep into the cracks and the seams and cause problems in your subfloor, inevitably just damage your planks over time. So wipe up spills right away and even use a dehumidifier in those damp areas. Okay, next thing up is how to make LVP last longer. If you want your LVP floors to hit that 25-year mark, here are some pro tips to extend the lifespan. The first thing, of course, is to keep it clean. Sweep regularly to prevent scratches. Mop with a damp but not a soaking wet cloth. And use mild pH neutral cleaners. And of course, avoid abrasive products. Second reason is use rugs and furniture pads. Protect that thing. Place rugs in really high traffic areas and use felt pads under heavy furniture to prevent any dents and scratches. The third thing is humidity. Use a humidifier or a dehumidifier to maintain a very stable condition inside your home. LVP doesn't really like really high extremes, just like we don't. But it's still very durable. Number 4, rotate furniture. Oddly enough, you should move furniture occasionally to avoid the fading in specific spots of the home from direct sunlight. And number 5 is to fix scratches and dents. Use vinyl repair kits for scratches and replace any damaged planks if needed, and this will keep your floors looking extra fresh. Now, when to replace LVP flooring? Even with the best care possible, there will come a time when your LVP might need replacing. And here's how to know when it's time. Reason number 1 is look for deep scratches everywhere. If scratches are so bad they expose the core layers, it's basically game over. Number 2, Warping or curling edges. Edges are lifting or warping. That is a sign of very high moisture damage or even old age. 3. Persistent stains. If stains won't budge and they're just staying there for a long time, it might be time to say goodbye.
Bye, have a beautiful time.
4. Squeaky or uneven floors. Squeaks and bumps are a sign that your subfloor or even the planks themselves need some new replacements. LVP versus other types of floors. So, how does LVP stack up against the other competition? Let's do some simple comparisons. Let's look at how different flooring types compare in terms of longevity and features. So, LVP flooring itself. Lifespan 15-25 years. LVP gives you a great bang for your buck. It's water resistant, waterproof, and super easy to maintain. Just keep an eye on those sunny spots so it can fade over time. Laminate flooring. Laminate, coming in at about 10 to 15 years lasting, is your budget-friendly option. While it is affordable, you have to keep in mind that it doesn't play well with water and maybe skip it for the bathroom and basements. Hardwood flooring. Now, here's the marathon runner in terms of flooring. It can last over 50 years. Yes, it's pricey up front and it needs regular maintenance over time, but with proper care, it could outlast even your mortgage. Another one is tiles. It's another long distance runner. Tile also goes the distance of maybe 50 or more years and it's practically indestructible, but those cold morning steps and regular grout clearing and cleaning might make you think twice. And while hardwood and tile win for longevity, LVP offers the best balance of durability, style, comfort, and cost for almost all homes. So the question is LVP right for you? In the end, LVP flooring offers a great mix of affordability, durability, style, comfort, with a lifespan of up to 25 years if you carefully take care of them. Whether you're dealing with pets, kids, or just everyday living, LVP can handle all those situations. And as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more flooring tips.